Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs taste less eggy. To begin, consider the freshness of your eggs. Fresher eggs often have a milder flavor. Next, we'll explore various ingredients you can add directly to your eggs before cooking. Finally, we'll discuss specific cooking techniques that can significantly reduce any unwanted sulfurous notes, ensuring your egg dishes are always delicious and enjoyable. Adding dairy or fat is a fantastic way to mellow out the eggy flavor. A splash of milk, cream, or even a dollop of sour cream can make a big difference, adding richness and a smoother texture. Cooking your eggs in butter or a good quality olive oil also helps, as the fat coats the proteins and reduces the perception of sulfur compounds. These additions create a more balanced and palatable dish. Don't underestimate the power of seasoning and a touch of acid. Fresh herbs like chives or dill introduce vibrant notes that complement eggs beautifully. A small amount of garlic or onion powder can add savory depth without overpowering. Crucially, a tiny squeeze of lemon juice or a dash of white vinegar can neutralize some of the sulfurous compounds, making your eggs taste much fresher and less eggy. How you cook your eggs significantly impacts their flavor. Overcooking, especially at high temperatures, can bring out those strong sulfur notes. Instead, cook eggs gently over medium-low heat, removing them from the pan just as they finish setting. For scrambled eggs, stir them slowly and consistently to achieve a creamy, delicate texture. This careful approach ensures a milder, more pleasant taste every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.